Welcome to the Skilled MBA Tourism and Hospitality Case Study Series. At Skilled MBA, we examine how hospitality businesses can navigate pricing pressure, demand fluctuations, and digital distribution to drive profitability. Today's case features Hotel King's Cross, a property facing ongoing challenges in optimizing revenue amid uncertain demand and stiff market competition. Key focus areas include understanding and analyzing core revenue metrics, occupancy rate average daily rate ADR, revenue per available room RevPAR, exploring strategic options such as implementing dynamic pricing to respond in real time to demand changes, customer segmentation to tailor offers for business, leisure, and group travelers, optimizing distribution channel mix across OTAs, direct bookings, and corporate sales. This case highlights how data-driven decision-making and smart pricing strategies can strengthen market positioning and maximize returns in the hospitality sector. Hotel King's Cross faces declining performance despite industry recovery. Key challenges include meeting leadership's demand for 5 to 7% revenue growth in 2023. Understanding these challenges is crucial for developing effective revenue management strategies. In December 2022, Revenue Manager Soham Dande alerted Rohan Chopra, Director of Sales and Marketing, about Hotel King's Cross's declining performance metrics. Despite industry recovery, the hotel struggles to meet leadership's demand for a 5 to 7% revenue growth in 2023. This challenge highlights the need for strategic revenue management to address underperformance. Hotel King's Cross is facing significant challenges in key performance indicators. Room booking nights are below target, occupancy percentage is declining, and the average room rate is falling. Additionally, revenue per available room is underperforming, indicating a broader decline in profitability. Addressing these issues is crucial for meeting revenue growth targets. Hotel King's Cross faces challenges in post-pandemic recovery, with business travel lagging. Competitors are gaining ground through aggressive pricing and promotions. Seasonal volatility adds unpredictability to booking patterns. To meet ambitious targets, King's Cross must explore revenue management levers like dynamic pricing, capacity management, and strategic promotions to enhance performance and outpace rivals. Mastering revenue management in hospitality involves recalling core concepts and understanding key metrics like occupancy percentage, average room rate ARR, and revenue per available room. Applying strategies such as duration control, capacity management, and dynamic pricing is crucial. Analyzing optimal revenue solutions under competitive pressure ensures sustained success. Demand forecasting involves predicting future booking patterns using historical data, market trends, and events. Inventory management requires strategic room allocation across channels and segments. Pricing strategy focuses on setting optimal rates based on demand, competition, and customer willingness to pay. Performance analysis entails continuous monitoring of key metrics to evaluate strategy effectiveness. Hotel King's Cross faces several challenges: missed revenue targets due to underperformance in key performance indicators, competitive disadvantage with lagging market share, and unpredictable seasonal demand. Additionally, the corporate segment's recovery post-pandemic remains incomplete, while aggressive growth targets and over-reliance on costly online travel agency bookings further complicate strategic planning. Strategic capacity management involves blocking premium rooms during high-demand periods and using overbooking buffers informed by historical no-show data. Additionally, optimizing room allocation across market segments can enhance occupancy rates by 3 to 4% during peak times, ensuring maximum availability and revenue potential. Duration control strategies enhance revenue by implementing minimum length of stay, requiring 2+ night bookings during peak times. Close to arrival restricts check-ins on specific dates, optimizing occupancy flow. Close to departure prevents checkouts on high-demand dates, ensuring continuity. These measures can boost revenue per available room by 5 to 8% during peak periods. Differential pricing leverages AI-driven dynamic pricing to adjust rates in real time, considering demand, competition, and booking patterns. Rate fencing targets specific customer segments like corporate clients and leisure travelers. Value-added packages enhance perceived value through bundled offerings, maintaining rate integrity. These strategies aim to optimize revenue by aligning pricing with market conditions and customer needs. Channel optimization involves minimizing dependency on high-commission online travel agencies by boosting direct bookings through exclusive benefits and loyalty programs. Launch targeted digital marketing campaigns for specific customer segments and ensure rate parity across all channels. The goal is to increase direct bookings by 15 to 20%, enhancing profit margins while maintaining overall volume. Bundled promotions enhance revenue by offering early bird rates, festive packages, and corporate retreats. These strategies improve forecasting, cash flow, and occupancy. Extended stay discounts further boost occupancy while maintaining rate integrity. Upselling and cross-selling opportunities are maximized, driving incremental revenue effectively. Achieving a 30% potential revenue per available room growth involves strategic combinations, while a 15% margin improvement is possible by optimizing distribution channels. Peak season yield can increase by 25% through duration controls. Revenue management blends science and strategy, demanding analytical thinking and market intuition. Success hinges on balancing approaches, regular performance monitoring, and understanding customer segments for effective pricing. Thank you for exploring this revenue optimization case study with Skilled MBA. We hope Hotel Kings Cross's journey provided valuable insights into pricing strategy, demand forecasting, and profitability management in hospitality. For more real-world case studies on revenue strategy, hotel operations, and competitive positioning, connect with us. Mobile +91 87 00795. Email support@skilledmba.com. Website //skilledmba.com/